Woodpeckers can peck at trees up to 20 times per second without damaging their brains thanks to special cushioning in their skulls. A woodpecker's tongue can be longer than its own beak, helping it extract insects from deep crevices. Woodpeckers can drill into wood to build their nests, creating perfectly round holes. Unlike other birds, woodpeckers use their tails as a support to maintain balance while working on trees. Some species of woodpeckers can store food by stashing it in tree cracks for later consumption.
Wow!